welcome. This is African Drip News. I'll be serving you guys with the hottest news and the latest news. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about the one and only Gugu, well known by her actress name mamlambo, who just posted a picture on Instagram showing us that she just bought a new car. Guys, it is possible. We all have to work hard just like her so that we can also post our success. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll post the video here right after this. Thank you. Enjoy.
Gugu gumede. Yes, queen. Yeah. Oh. Yes.
Oh my god.
Congrats, friend. Congrats.
Yes.
Yes.